What if I told you a tiny coin from Switzerland, worth just 10 Rappen, could actually sell for up to $250? Sounds unbelievable, right? But today on CoinXplore, we're diving deep into the 2015 Switzerland 10 Rappen coin, its history, design, rare features, and the truth behind its surprising value. So make sure you watch till the end, because you might already have one of these coins in your pocket. Let's start with the basics. The 10 Rappen coin is part of the Swiss currency system, where 1 Swiss franc equals 100 Rappen. This coin was issued in 2015 and is still in circulation today. Fun fact, the 10 Rappen coin is one of the oldest coin designs still in use in the world, with its design dating back to the 19th century. Now let's talk about the technical details collectors love. Year, 2015. Weight, 3 grams. Diameter, 19.15 mm. Composition, copper-nickel mint. Burn, Swiss mint. Mintage, around 22 million coins. So yes, this is not a rare coin in general circulation. But here's where things get interesting. Let's explore the beautiful design of this coin. Obverse front. You'll see the image of Libertas, the Roman goddess of liberty. She is facing right, wearing a diadem with the word Libertas. Around her is the inscription, Confederatio Helvetica, meaning Swiss Confederation. This design represents freedom, independence, and Swiss identity. Reverse back. On the reverse side, the number 10 is displayed, surrounded by a wreath of oak branches. A small B mint mark appears below for burn. This classic design has remained almost unchanged for over 100 years. Now, let's answer the big question. Is this coin really worth $250? In most cases, the answer is a no. According to collectors and market data, average value, around $3 to $5 in high condition. Circulated coins, usually worth face value, 10 Rappen, only under special conditions. Mint error coins, misprints, off-center strikes, double stamping, perfect condition, UNC or proof, no scratches, original shine, collector demand, rare variations or limited sets. These factors can push the price up dramatically. Here's how you can check your coin. Look for unusual errors. Check the condition, shiny equals better. See if it came from a collector set. Compare with online auction listings. Tip: even a common coin can become valuable if it has a unique defect. Here's some amazing facts. Switzerland uses 4 languages, so Rappen has different names. This coin design has been used since 1879. It's among the oldest unchanged coins still circulating. So, that tiny 10 Rappen coin, it may look ordinary, but under the right conditions, it could be a hidden treasure. Tell me in the comments. Have you ever found a rare coin in your collection? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CoinXplore for more amazing coin discoveries.